Have you ever stared at a pocket option chart for so long that your eyes start to blur? You draw trend lines, you check the stochastic oscillator, you wait patiently for the perfect setup, and then boom. The market spikes in the opposite direction at the very last second. It is the most defeating feeling in trading. You put in all the hard work, but the market simply does not care. Today, we are going to completely flip that dynamic. We are going to stop overanalyzing and start executing with precision. But before I show you this exact execution blueprint, I need to talk about our massive monthly funding event. On the first of every single month, I am giving away free trading capital to my most dedicated viewers. The entry process is completely automated now. To qualify and get your name on that verified list, you must do 5 things. Like this video, leave a comment below telling me your biggest trading frustration. Subscribe to the channel. Watch this entire video from start to finish without skipping a single second, and join our community Telegram group. If you do all of that, the backend system automatically adds you to the giveaway list for the first of the month. Do not miss out on this free capital. Welcome back to the channel. As we move deeper into 2026, the pocket option platform has become extremely popular. But with that popularity comes a lot of terrible advice. If you search for a pocket option trading strategy, you will find gurus telling you to scalp the 5 seconds chart. Please listen to me right now. Do not trade the 5 seconds time frame. The market is far too volatile at that micro level. You are basically just flipping a coin against the broker, and the broker always wins coin flips. On the flip side, people tell you to trade the 1-minute chart. But here is the ugly truth. The OTC market algorithms heavily manipulate the 1-minute candles because that is exactly where 90% of retail traders are trapped. So what is the actual solution? The answer is the 15 seconds time frame. It is the ultimate sweet spot. It is fast enough that you do not get caught in long, drawn-out reversals, but it gives you just enough time to escape the chaotic micro-volatility of the 5 seconds chart. More importantly, the OTC algorithms do not aggressively target the 15 seconds expiration because the crowd just isn't there. It is a massive blind spot. However, you cannot just guess your entries on a 15 seconds chart. You need absolute machine precision. That is why I use a highly tuned Telegram bot that connects directly to the data feed. To get access to this exact bot, you need to go to my channel bio or look at the pinned comment right below this video. I have placed the official, secure link in both of those places. Do not search for it randomly to avoid fakes. Go directly to the bio or the pinned comment, click the link, and open Telegram.